What's up, YouTube family? How y'all doing today? So back with another one. So this one right here is serious, okay? Now, right now my temperature gauge says 81 degrees outside, and it's pretty cold. Don't mind my crackling windshield. Don't tell nobody. Okay, so it's pretty warm out here, and it's 8:20 in the evening. It's still 80 degrees. It's a little warm. Right now, if you could feel this with me, and I don't know if anybody else having this problem in the Impala, but I got cold air blowing out on the left side, on the driver's side, and then on the passenger side over here, it's coming out pretty warm, okay? So the warm air is a problem when it's 81 degrees out, you know? So the car is kind of cool, but it's not cool, you know? So if you're having this problem, I'm gonna show you a quick, easy fix for it. This is gonna be something that you can do yourself in no time. So what you do is, what you wanna do is you wanna turn your air off, okay? And you wanna crank your blower all the way up, okay? What you do when you do that, you wanna set a timer for about 5 minutes, all right? This is such a simple fix for this issue, okay? And I've been to the shop to get it fixed before. What it is the actuator door, and it's really not in sync. And so on one side is blowing the hot air, the other side is blowing the cold air, okay? So 5 minutes goes by, and after you get 5 minutes, what you want to do is keep it up high, okay? Keep your blower up high and crank your temperature settings all the way up to the highest setting, okay? You want your heat very high, okay? It's gonna get hot, so it's much better if you're not driving, if you're sitting still, or you can roll your windows down or get out of the car, because when it's 81 degrees outside in the evening, last thing you want is your car at 90 degrees on the inside, okay? So we're gonna do that, and then after 5 minutes go by, again, you got your 5-minute timer set. Then you want to come back again and just turn your AC on, okay? Once you hit your AC button, if everything goes correctly, and it's worked for me, so I want to pass this along to you. And this is a 2013 Chevy Impala that I'm driving, so I'm assuming that it'll work like this in other Chevys. I can't say for certain, but in this particular Impala, it works like a charm. And now, once you do that, then your air will be blowing cold on both sides. So at this moment, I'm having the warm and the cold, but I'm gonna go and do this again in this vehicle. And if it doesn't work, I'll get back to you, but I'm pretty sure it will. Sometimes it just goes out of sync, and then you have to kind of reset your actuator doors. And it's a much cheaper fix than if you go to a dealership or a mechanic. They might tell you that they need to change your door, or no telling, you know, you get all kind of shops and people of different honesty levels. So, but if you can fix it that way, it'll save you a ton of money. If you can't, then you can go ahead and go to the shop and you know, get a new actuator switch put in. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna turn that off and I'm gonna go ahead and do this method myself, okay? So if you want to try to fix your vehicle yourself, which I'm assuming is why you came to YouTube, is you didn't want to go to the to the dealership. So if you could do it yourself, do it yourself. Leave a comment, let me know if it works for you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Oh, hey, like and subscribe too.